Hi everyone. The last Monday, Dean Quinn shared for us many information to speak English very well. In our case, if you want to speak excellent English, you have got to learn with your ear. Listening, and more listening is key to speak excellent English. It is the more important thing because if you listen a lot, you are gonna learn vocabularies, you learn grammar, and you will get faster and you understand better. Listening is the kind of magic key to spread English speaking. After we practiced to vowel sound e and the short vowel sound e. Best. You're my best friend. Healthy. I'm healthy. Get. Can I get you a drink? Headset. I'm wearing my headset. Weather. Let's get together when the weather is better. Welcome. Welcome back to my life. The vowel sound energy. Energy is everything. Never. I never give up. Together. Let's go to lunch together. Dinner. Do you have a dinner? Master. I'm a master of spoken English. Shoulder. I like shoulder. After we practicing my favorite fruit. Fruit is necessary in our life. I like many different kinds of fruits. Let me to tell you a little of my favorites. My favorite vegetable is lettuce, and I don't like carrots. Mangoes are my favorite fruit. They are sweet, juicy, and delicious. And my favorite meat is chicken. I only have chickens for dinner. Thank you for watching. Have a nice